apples,
He kai kei ngāringa Delta.
potatoes, little potatoes there.
Yeah, it's handy. I like just getting bread here and there. I'm hungry.
Engari, kei te huri te tai.
Cottage cheese. But they're a bit sad about the food bank though. I'm a bit sad too, I'm gutted. But I made so many relationships outside the place. Just so sad to see it go, that's all.
Nō tēnei marama ka katianga kua hao te pātaka kai a Delta ki Richmond Ōtautahi, e rima taua Perry Gerrard, kua haere mai ki tēnei pātaka kai hei āwhina.
Just to help out, like when I'm short of change and I've got not much kai in the cupboards. And it's helpful just to use this system here. It's just a shame they can't get funding, and I wish people could still help them to keep going in there.
Hello, how are you? How can I help?
Mai ngā wā o te mate kowhiori, e whārau ngā pouaka kai kua kohatia e te ratonga a Delta ki te hapori i a marama. Heoi anō, e ai ki te kai whakahaere matua a Graham Burgess, kaore he pūtea nui kia taia te whakahaere tonu.
That is predominantly all done by fundraising, trying to find amazing people who support us in what we do. And we are part of the New Zealand Food Network, so all the food that we get from NZFN or from Kairos and Satisfy, who are major supporters of us, help us to get the food to them. But fundraisers help us keep the lights on and that sort of thing.
Take care, much love, bye-bye.
Ko te pūnaha kai o Aotearoa te kai hautū i te whātekau mā rima pai heneti o te nui o te kai, e tohatoha ana ngā puka pūkai. Hei tā Burgess, ka huri te aroa o Delta ki te whakatū manoaroa mo tō rātou iwi mā ngā kaupapa hapori pērā i te tohu tahua me ngā koranga tunu kai.
And our mission is to help the community come together and to grow in skills, knowledge and resilience. And all we're doing is we're going back to our roots, going back to where we began, and then opening the door wide so that the community can come in, connect, and give us the opportunity to help them and uplift them, instead of just handing them food at the door.
These chips as well.
Aha koa kaore haere tonu e nei pouaka kai, hei tā Gerrard, ka hoki mai ia ki tēnei ratonga.
They help me with working income and social service in here, I think it's called. Yeah, they're good helpers, and they help me get firewood and all this stuff. Free firewood, not so I don't have to buy wood. Oh, they're really lovely. I like them. They always appreciate me being here and saying hello, and it's good, warm welcoming.
There's the food part all done up.
A te toru te kaumātahi o Hūrae, ka kati te pātaka kai o Delta me te tūmanako kia kaha ake te manoaroa o te hapori. Hore Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo